just the ones that they placed in the garden. I just want to show you, there's a little water feature over there. I love this. Oh, I love this little chimney pot over here. Yeah. Oh, the flower pot man in the fresco. I didn't even see that. Oh, yeah, there they are. Let's zoom into them. Cute. Oh, man, that's so funny. Classic. And even the little rabbits over here. Beautifully created and curated garden. So many little different angles to look at. Now, in my former, he's a very nice son. Welcome. I used to work as a content producer, director, editor before I moved to Hong Kong, and so always have an eye. My eye is always about, being able to get different angles and show different. You know what these are? These are bottles put upside down into the ground. Yes. So Neil's asking, is this the huge park you took us to at the beginning of your tours when we go to the Avery? Yes, that's the exact same park. And they've just created, like last week we were here going to the Avery, and there's just a small space here that they've created, a really beautiful little garden. Oh, there's some flowers there I'm going to show you, and then we'll go and have a look at some of the animals, because there are animals in this park too. Hope I'm giving you enough time to get really, really great postcards. Well, I want to show you this flower. I've never seen anything like it. Have a look at this. Let me go up a little bit. Look at that. Look at that. I've never seen a flower like that. Have you? Beautiful flower. I can just tell you the smells here are so good. Oh, so this is a garden that you need to vote for. Vote for my most favorite garden. So I'm guessing there's it's called a shrimp plant in Louisiana. Thank you, Mark. Heather asked, do you like Hong Kong or South Africa better? Ooh, that is a great question. I'll tell you what I love about Hong Kong. I wouldn't say I like anyone better, but I love the transport in Hong Kong. In South Africa, we all own cars and we drive all over the place. But in Hong Kong, that's not necessary. Well, let's continue the rest of the tour. So, and then I'll tell you about we're gonna walk. We're gonna see the backside of water. That's a Disney reference to the Jungle Cruise. That we're gonna see the backside of water, and I just want to show you now. Look, we're walking through this beautiful garden, but look at the contrast there. So let me tell you about the building we're going to come up to. We're coming up to the Fourth Gate Conservatory, which occupies about 1,400 square meters of the park. We'll see it now. Oh, I just want to move down. There's some more beautiful plants. Hi, Joyce. Oh, and there's some more beautiful plants here. I just love how it's autumn here, but the flowers are just exploding. This gives you there you can see the cityscape right behind. So it's at there's the conservatory. It's right behind these trees. You can't see it clearly now, Oh, here's a bird. Let me zoom in for you. Oh, aren't we lucky? We didn't even need to go into the aviary today. There's a bird right here. Even a butterfly is going past. Oh, Virginia says we always miss your aviary tours because the birds are up there when we're asleep here. Oh, here we're so lucky. We're able to see a bird up close, and we don't even need to go inside the aviary. Aren't we lucky? Such a beautiful bird. Wow, that was really lucky. So I'll tell you about the conservatory because we're coming up to it. It's divided into 3 sections, so you can sort of see it over there. It's got three sections or 3 displays. There's a dry plant house and it's a dry plant house and the humid plant house. Oh yeah, it's just the 2. So it's dry plants and humid plants. Oh, there's something about a building I want to show you here as well. Let me see if it's here. I think this is this the building? Hey, one of the buildings down here is you often see married couples here because it's a marriage registry office. Now here we'll be able to see the conservatory a bit better, and we're also going to see some animals right under the water, just chilling. People in Hong Kong, like a lot of my students as well, are actually just like people's pets that somehow made it into the park. Yes, I mean, that often, people have a turtle and then they want to get rid of it, and next thing you know, Hong Kong is overrun with foreign turtles. Let's just check the time. It's 8 minutes past 9. So usually if I come here just a little bit later, this rock face here will have a waterfall coming down. And let's go take a quick look into the conservatory. I think it opened a waterfall and these rocks. This is all being created, but it's quite cool. Usually you can stand here. Like the last time we came to the aviary, we stood here, and so I bought some chocolate milks for energy. So when I walk, we are really so lucky today to be able to see all these birds and then see the city like this. I love this. Love contrast. Keeps things interesting. This sort of arid landscape is again like another juxtaposition. So we in the dry plant house, you can see here, and it is always kept hot and dry with a maximum temperature of about 33 degrees with 60% humidity. So to make the environment of the dry rock plant house more interesting, there's a artificial rockery, and many canyons have been constructed to simulate the habitat of a very dry desert landscape. This is completely different to Hong Kong, of course. Okay, let's step down and we'll go into the tropical section now. So this is the humid plant house. It's so huge. Okay, I just want to show you, try and give you a scale. So green, so huge. So this exhibit, this is the humid plant house. It comprises of a wide variety of ferns, palms, carnivorous plants, jungle foliage, plants from South Africa, Southeast Asia, and America. Look at this beautiful one, the Telenesia. Beautiful. love the colors.